4 events are down in this season. In this championship fight, not as close as other seasons. 89 to 78, 11 point gap from first and second. But then all the way back you have teams like Moneyballs, Cheese Balls, Ketchups, and Bonds Tigers. So, but those teams will have to make a margin. The block bumping event, which is actually going to be completely different, is go down the funnel, and it's color coordinated. So this is basically like archery, but block bumping. Exactly. Yeah, DMR didn't want us to be archery, so we're gonna name it block bumping today. So I hope that doesn't but today as we get the stands here, which is on the other side of my bed, so just in. Yeah, you can see right there, Night Fighters are in the lead. 11 points from Burning Flares and Coral Reefs, but everyone else still has a chance. So this whole one is going to be reverse championship order. So the Bronze Tigers will be our first. The Bronze Tigers, it has been tragic for them all season. They will love to do well with the event. Here we go. Dead even! Oh, Bronze, look at this. This is how you do it. Oh, bad collision for the other one. .22 on the dot. And that will start the Bronze Tigers one. On a positive note. 1-2. We have the Ketchups. Ketchups have never had a great season ever since like season 7 or 6. So it's been a long time ever since Ketchups won something here. They will have to turn around today, but there's no rubbish. Whether this one can be dead even as well, which is not. That's just not going to be it. 16 is the final score. So second place, not good. Now, the Cheese Balls. This team, very known for making a big comeback in the later part of the season. They're in 14th right now. Or there's a 16. There's a Swiss. Can Swiss do anything? Keep it alive? Yes! And they will go into first. Cheese Balls are in the lead. Because since that Bronze Tigers had a one that was in the 4, that's how they got the win. But now Moneyballs, who won the gold last event, and they will have to keep that stretch going. Ooh, 6-pointer to start off. Well, we got 8-pointers, there's 14. They can stick it on the 10, that's the lead, and they will get the lead. Moneyballs kept it. And they will go straight to P1, knocking the Ketchups off the podium. But now, the Galaxies, who are falling down the order after an amazing start. The coach Alex Vixen, also as the mascot this season, not too happy here. Well, we started off with an 8 and a 16. How did this last one go? And 26. That is certainly P1. My God. Alex Vixen, the mascot. He is beside himself right now. Now this team, Sea Occidentals. Wasn't that Savage Beats 2.0? They have not been proving that. They've been on the downside recently, the last couple of seasons. So they will have to improve here. With their 8 to start off with. Ooh, but 14. Second is last one to go. 22. Sliding to third, so they're on the podium. Don't think they're going to stay there for long. But, yeah. But here comes Earths. How can the Earths go? Just smash the qualifiers into pieces, but then couldn't really do anything else that. Well, I haven't really proven anything. But we have a 16 on the dot here. What can this last one do? Ah, it's not gonna do it. I hear that will be second, of course. But Galaxy still holds the lead. As now we've got the Red Peppers. An amazing season last season. As a return, and now they're in 9th. So still not a bad result. But I would love to have a better result here. Oh, but 4's not going to do it. So the best they can get is 4th. Due to that first one. Yeah. 20. Yeah, 20, so that's 5th. We knew that was happening. But now, here comes the top 8. Starting up with Team Blanc, who's been having a successful season, I would say. They haven't really gone in the bottom much. They've been staying around the top 10. This looks promising for them. As long as the third one can stay there. Oh, he would not. 22, 5th place. So Team Blah is still in there, but the other teams will have to do crap for them to stay in the top 8. As now we have the Atlantics, first time in this league. They're in 7th. They did have a couple bad results, I think a couple of events ago, but other than that, it's been pretty good. But our 4's not going to cut it right now. Oh, we got a 10 now. That's 20 and that's going to 7th. Oof. Oof. Yeah, not what you want to see if you're an Atlantics fan. But here we go. The Flamethrowers. An amazing start. Well, not an amazing start. They are only in the top 8 because of a silver medal last event. But other than that, it's not been great. 6 to start off with, followed by a 8, so that's 14. What can this last one will do? The anchor. 24! And that is the new provisional 3rd. Well done to the Flamethrowers there. The coach must be happy about that. But now we got the rookies, Tree Trunks. How can they go? Well, actually, I can't really say rookies for the newcomers, but sort of rookies here. 6, 8, and 4th place. Now, the Grasshoppers. Pretty good as a return. As they've been in retirement for like 3 seasons. Now they are back. Another 6th place. Oh. Oh. Kids, you might want to look away from that if you're a Grasshoppers fan. Yeah. But here we go, Coral Reefs now. This is a very successful team. Always been in the top half, every league so far. And then we have an 8 here. And a 10! Oh, but that last one cost it all. Another 6th place result. Not good. But here we go. The crowd is cheering. Here's the host, the Burning Flares. They need to have a good result in the night fight as a bad result for them to take the lead. And we have an 8 to start off with. Oh, but a 6. There's 14. The Flare will have to do this for the team. Oh, well, they mucked it up. 16. And that's dead last. Oh, no. Oh, what a way to end this event. But now we have the Night Fighters, the championship leaders. How can they do it? How can they end off this? An 8. Oh, we have a 12. What can this last one do? Another 8. We have a 20, good enough for 8th place. Eighth place. But that means that the Galaxies have won the gold in front of the Earths, who get silver, and the Flame Show is another podium, a bronze. But the Burning Flares dead last in block bumping. Oh, that is just so wrong. Well, they better catch that up in the next event, the narrow race. That's definitely an event they will definitely want to be good at if they want to do literally anything. So we'll see you for that. And let's see if the Burning Flares can get the redemption they need.